TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. And let's check in on the markets as a relatively mixed day across the major indices. NASDAQ leading the way up positive by 50 points, trading 72.89 or up 0.7%. S&P's relatively flat within 1 point, down less than 1 point right now. And Dow Jones negative 120 points, so almost 0.5%. The Dow negative, trading 25,101. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 2 hours left to go in that trading day. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading 2731. Off the highs of the session we made right around noon Eastern Time. We'll see where the final 2 hours of trading take us. NASDAQ 100 leading the way up. You can see that we're at pretty much the highs of the session, trading 68.40. Quite an acceleration we had throughout the entire day. We'll see where those 2 hours lead us for the final 2 hours of the trading day. And Dow 30, the laggard of the major indices, off the highs, not quite the acceleration that the other indices had, under 25.1, currently trading 25,090. Crude oil bouncing around a bit today. Was at the lower end of this trading range at about 61.50. At about 11:15 Eastern Time, spikes all the way up to 62.43, so almost a full dollar. And from there, we're back a bit, right at $62 for crude oil. Gold continuing to struggle for most of the day, was up at 13.45 as of about the opening bell, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time. From there, the cascade began, sliding down all the way to 13.30. We're up a couple bucks from there, 13.32 in gold. And Bitcoin, how about it? Check out the run for Bitcoin all the way from about 11.2 this morning up to, call it 11.7 at this point, $500 from the 4 a.m. low that we made. And that low is a pretty decent low, as in it's not even a low. We've come a far way from the 6,000 that we were at not too long ago in Bitcoin. Other news you have out there, fundamentally, Walmart e-commerce growth wanes, sending shares tumbling. We'll jump over to Walmart in a moment. They are having a tough day. Google launching another answer to Apple Pay. They're going to have Google Pay. Of course, a tough sector to be competing in. And Home Depot earnings as well, topping Wall Street expectations. So let's take a look at those. Here is Walmart, down 9.2% for the day, or almost $10. You got Google, up about 1.6%, and Home Depot up about 0.5%, and we'll wrap it up with Amazon, up 2.5%. Stay tuned. David White coming up right now, and Tom O'Brien at 3 o'clock, Andy at 5. Have a great day, everybody.